In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Excel to its original default settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin with, make sure to close Excel completely. This ensures that all changes we make take effect without any hitches. Moving forward, head over to your taskbar. You'll see a search icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a search bar where you want to type in Registry Editor. As you start typing, you'll notice it popping up in the suggestions. At this point, you can just click on it. Now, nearly every action involving the Registry Editor will prompt a user account control window. It might sound a bit technical, but think of it as your computer checking that it's really you trying to make these changes. When this appears, go ahead and click Yes to continue. Once you've got the Registry Editor open, you'll be met with a tree-like structure of folders. The one we're interested in is labeled HKE/current user. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click this arrow to expand and reveal more folders inside. Within this, search for the folder named Software. Again, you'll want to click the arrow next to it so that you can see what's inside. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for Microsoft. Click the arrow next to this folder to expand it as well. Now here comes an important step. Look for the folder name Office. Give that another click to reveal its contents. Inside the Office folder, you'll need to identify the version number folder. It might be labeled something like 16.0 depending on your version of Office. Once you've located it, go ahead and expand that folder too. Within this version number folder, you'll find one labeled Excel. Click on it once to highlight it, making sure it's the only thing selected. With that done, right-click on the Excel folder and select Delete from the drop-down menu. This action will wipe out all of Excel's personalized settings, essentially resetting everything back to its default state. As soon as you've deleted that folder, feel free to close the Registry Editor. We're nearly at the finish line. The final step is to reopen Excel. When you do, you'll notice that it's like you're starting fresh. It has been restored to its original settings. And that's all there is to it. A simple yet effective way to reset Excel back to default settings. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial. Once again, if you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips like this.